When you hear Industry 4.0, what comes to mind? Most people think of confusing buzzwords and theoretical concepts. It's tough to even nail down a definition when you ask different perspectives. But I want to cut through that hype. Industry 4.0 is not about the future. It's about applying practical tools that are delivering real value on the plant floor today. It's about empowering your people to solve problems before they happen. So let me walk you through what a day in the life of a modern, data-driven plant manager actually looks like, based on what we help our partners build. A plant manager's day no longer starts with firefighting. It starts with foresight. They open a tablet, look at a digital twin, a living virtual replica of their entire operation that we help them engineer. This morning, the digital twin flags a potential issue. Real-time vibration data from a critical press shows that a bearing is wearing down and is predicted to fail within 72 hours. Before this system was in place, the machine would have run until failure, causing hours of unplanned downtime. But now, the manager can proactively schedule the repair during a planned changeover in the afternoon. That is the immediate tangible value of a digital twin, transforming reactive crises into proactive scheduled work. Later that day, the same manager might shift their focus to a new project, like installing a robotic arm. This is where another piece of practical technology becomes critical: 3D laser scanning. We had a partner who needed to fit a new robot into a tightly packed area. Instead of relying on outdated blueprints, we performed a 3D laser scan of their facility, creating an accurate as-built model. While planning the installation in that digital environment, we saw a clear clash between the robot's movement and an overhead pipe. We were able to adjust that placement digitally, ensuring a perfect fit. That simple check saved them weeks of delays and the high cost of rework that would have been discovered during the physical installation. It's how we help our partners eliminate surprises. This data-driven approach continues right on the shop floor. We help our partners implement a manufacturing execution system, or MES, as the central nervous system for their operation. It's not about management looking over everyone's shoulder. It's about empowering operators and other team members. One team we worked with made a small adjustment to a machine's settings. With their new MES, they could see on a screen in real time that their change had just increased output by 6% and reduced waste by 2%. They didn't have to wait for a monthly report to know what worked. They saw it instantly, owned that improvement, and could replicate it in other areas. That's how you unlock the hidden capacity that already exists within your facility. So, a day in the modern factory isn't just about futuristic robots. It's about making smarter, faster, and more confident decisions. It's about preventing downtime, de-risking investments, and validating improvements with real data. Industry 4.0 is not a product that you buy, it's a capability that you build, piece by piece. At DSI, we're not just consultants who talk about theory. We're engineers who come to your plant floor, understand your challenges, and work with your team to build and integrate these practical solutions. We help you engineer a smarter operation. Are you ready to translate these concepts into measurable improvements? Connect with us for strategic consultation to identify your highest impact opportunities.